I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Ganoksin Studios in Boston, Massachusetts. And just want to talk about a bench trick. It's one of my favorites because it contains a number of principles. And the main principle is that if you want to find a tool, you want to find someone who uses so much of it that they don't value it. And your ordinary disposable Bic lighter, the kind that you can find on the street in the gutter sometimes, many of them contain a carbide steel flint wheel. And this carbide steel wheel, if you were to put it onto a screw mandrel for a flex shaft, this carbide wheel is the same thing as a $8 burr, a $6 or $8 burr. And it produces textures like a fine diamond tool. And we can use it as a rotary file. So if I wish to really remove metal, it's a matter of moments for me to carve and file the material. So that is a Bic lighter flint used as a burr.